Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. Today I am just going to show you what I got from Walmart today. We just got back and it's a good thing I bought this light because it's really dark outside even though it's only 7:10 in the evening, but it's been gloomy and rainy and it's really dark out there, so there's no window lighting whatsoever. So this light comes in handy. Yay, I'm so glad I have it. Anyway, just got back from Walmart. Here's my little goodie bag. Yay, I love makeup. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got, and then maybe starting tomorrow I can start making tutorials on some of the stuff that I bought. So I don't know if you're anything like me, ladies, but I am always and always have been in search for the perfect foundation, the perfect drugstore foundation, something inexpensive that's not going to put a major dent in our wallet. So I tried. I've got 3 different foundations that I bought today. Normally I only buy one at a time, and if that doesn't work, well, I use it up until it's gone anyway. And then I'll try another one. But anyway, I've been wanting to try these for a while, and so I bought some foundations. First one that I have, this is probably the priciest one that I bought, which was still only $12.98. This one is Revlon Age Defying Firming and Lifting Makeup right here. So let me see if I can get it to focus. There, so there's that one. So I'm gonna try that, and I bought it in the color Warm Beige, so we'll be trying that. And then this one is Dream Liquid Mousse by Maybelline, and I believe this one was $7.94, and I bought this in the, oh, that light is so blinding that now I can't see what I'm trying to read. I can't see what color it is because I'm blinded now. I'll have to let my eyes adjust. There's the color. I don't know if you can read it though. So I'm excited about this one because it's more like it's supposed to feel lighter and fluffier on your face. And I believe all 3 of the foundations that I bought are supposed to be for medium to full coverage, which is what I want. I don't want to be able to see through. My skin's not perfect, so I don't want just a real sheer coverage. I need something a little bit more medium to full coverage like these. And then there's this one. I heard a lot of good stuff about this one, Maybelline Fit Me, and it says it's a dewy and smooth look to it when you apply it. And this one is for normal to dry skin, because as I'm getting older my skin is drier, so I don't want anything for oily skin. I don't get acne anymore or anything like that. And I'm trying to look at the color. Oh, it's a sandy beige color. I think this one is a sandy beige too. I can't read it. Oh yeah, it does. I can read it now. It says sandy beige right there. Yay! Okay, so these are the 3 that I am going to be trying. So if any of you ladies have been curious about trying one of these, because these are all fairly new, so if you've been curious as to whether or not they work, I'll test them out for you and I'll let you know how I like them anyway. And I'll probably make one tutorial for each of the foundations so that you can see me with no makeup on at all, and then I'll try one foundation on per tutorial. So there's that. And then I also bought Rimmel Stay Matte. It's a long-lasting pressed powder, so that after you're done with your foundation and you've done your concealer, you can put this on to kind of help keep your makeup, all the hard work that you put on your face, you can help it to stay in place. So I'm going to try that. Especially the Stay Matte is kind of nice for summertime when you're out there in the weather and sweating or perspiring. I always say that I don't sweat, I glisten. It just sounds prettier. And then I also bought Hard Candy's Glamaflage concealer, and this is supposed to be a heavy-duty concealer because, like I said, I want full coverage. I don't want a bunch of stuff caked on, so if I can just get 1 or 2 things that I put on my face that gives me the full coverage, awesome. And this is in the color You know what? I was holding it upside down, wasn't I? What color are you? Oh, this is medium light. This is in the color medium light. And it comes with a little pencil. And yeah, because my problem area, if I was to want to change any, well, not if I was to want to, but if I could change anything on my face, it would be the dark circles that I get under my eyes. And those have actually gotten better from using the BB creams and CC creams, because I use those as moisturizers sometimes, and it's supposed to help with the dark spots, the hyperpigmentation or whatever. Okay, what else did I get? I also bought eyeshadow eyelid primer, and it's by e.l.f. And so I'll be making a tutorial on this one to let y'all know how this works for me. So it's in the color Sheer. Right here, I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to bring it too close to the camera because then it won't focus. Okay, so I bought that. And then I got an inexpensive stippling brush for $3 by the company e.l.f. So I'll be trying that. And I wanted this for when I do the Glama concealer under my eyes. I can kind of just stipple it into place so that I don't have to move it around. If you stipple it, it kind of stays where you put it. So that's what I wanted this one for. So I hope it works nicely for me. And it was only $3. So my husband bought me a BH, like a 48-piece BH cosmetic brush set. But it didn't come with the small stippling brush. It came with this one, big, huge one, which I use for my face, but I don't have a small one. So that's perfect for this. And then I also bought another $3 brush. It's a contour brush. And I really like this because it seems like it has dense little bristles on it, which is nice. They're soft but dense, so that when I contour my nose right here, so that'll work for contouring here and here. So yeah, I'm excited. I'll do videos for these as well. But that's what I got today. That's what I'm excited about. That's what I went and got. My husband went and bought some stuff that we needed for the house, and he got himself a little gas barbecue grill, so that's exciting. He's been wanting one of those all summer. Or not all summer, but last summer he wanted a gas grill one, and now that this summer is starting, he finally has one. So we left our big, huge one that I got him in Washington State. So now he has a little tiny one to play with until we get the other one back from Washington. So I think that's it. That is everything. That is my little drugstore or Walmart haul. Let me see if I can hold everything up at the same time. Probably not. Here's this, and this, and this. Let me see, can I do it? I don't know. And this, I'm not going to be able to do it, am I? There's that. I'm going to do it, aren't I? Yay! Wait. Okay, there. This is all the stuff that I got. Awesome! Ah! Oh. Oh, and I also forgot that I bought this. I bought just tape, and I'm going to make a tutorial, a beauty tutorial on how to use just regular Scotch tape. And I'll tell you how I'm going to use that. Alrighty guys, so that's everything. I had fun shopping, yay! And my dogs were going crazy here for a while because we just got home and they want attention when I first get home. So, alrighty, I'm going to give them the attention that they need and deserve and that I love to give them. So I will talk to you Glama girls later. Alright, I love you. Bye. Mwah.